Hey everyone, it's Kevin here with Reviews About Anything, and today we have the Sony WF 1000 XM3s. These are Sony's flagship true wireless earbuds, and I just bought them. I got them for a pretty good deal. They were about $200 at my local tech store, so I decided to jump on them since there was a bit of a discount, and I bought them because I'm trying to preserve the life of my Jabra Elite Active 65Ts. I've started to notice recently the battery life on them has been a bit inconsistent, so to give them the break so I can just keep using them at the gym, I bought these for normal, everyday things like going to the grocery store or at work or doing phone calls and stuff like that. And I'm reserving the Actives, the Jabras, for mostly the gym and running and outside and things like that. So, want to do an unboxing for you guys, compare them to the Jabras, shape, size, and stuff like that, and then I'll listen to them for a bit and come back with initial impressions and later review for you guys. But looking from the box, you see a picture of the actual earbuds here in the front. On the side just says Sony. On the back here we have a picture of the earbuds in someone's ear. We have the charging case in someone's hand. USB is called out here. HD hands-free calling with HD voices called out. Quick charge, you get 90 minutes of battery life with a 10-minute charge. Music playback with noise canceling on, you get 6 hours, and an extra 24 from charging, or a total of 24, an extra 18 from the charge case. And then if you have NFC off, or you get the 8 hours and an additional 24 with the charging case for a total of 32. So noise canceling off, get 8. Noise canceling on, you get 6. I know some people have tested this and actually got a bit better than that, so that's nice. And then a couple different languages here, but it says Sony designed the HD noise canceling processor, the QN1E, for high performance noise cancellation and HD quality audio with dual noise sensor technology. Captures ambient noise precisely with the 2 microphones. There's one on each bud. And then also a stable wireless connection they're claiming. On the other side, it's just blank. As you can tell, I did take the plastic wrap off. Tried shooting this video earlier and the audio was messed up, so shooting it again, but I haven't really done anything with it, so let's take it out. I will say that I like what Sony's done with this box here. This cardboard's nice and thick. It feels nice, nice and well protected. This top part's like a double layer cardboard, as you can see, to help protect the product. So here it says to start pairing, put the headset into the case to activate it, and the light will come on, as you can see here in this diagram. Backside of this flap has a little bit of like a felt-esque material to help protect these items. Here we have the charging case. I went with the black and rose gold, as you can see, or black and copper. The black part of the case is a soft touch rubber-esque paint, and the top is a slightly matte but smooth textured for the copper or rose gold accent. And then on the bottom you have your USB-C port. Open it up. It is held in place by magnets, which is nice. You have your indents for the 2 buds, NFC for pairing, and then inside here there's a red R and a gray L for the earbuds, 3 contact pogo pins for charging, and a magnet to pull them into place. And then the buds themselves are right here. So, quite small. Smaller than I thought. from the pictures I've seen online and things like that, which is nice. You have the red R and the gray L on the back of the buds. It looks like a medium silicone tip is pre-installed. Your 3 contact pads for the charging. You have 2 glossy areas, I'm guessing for some type of sensor. And these are touch surfaces on here, the front, for different gestures, and they're blinking blue because they want to pair. So let's put those down for a moment, see what else comes in the box here. So this top part has a little bit more of that felt-esque cardboard kind of material that's soft to protect the charge case and the earbuds during transit. And this is like just some type of plastic molded insert here. The bottom, it tells us to download the app and to take the headset out to turn them on. There's an app on Android and on iPhone. So we have a bunch of different tips in here, which is nice. So we have, looks like small, medium, and large silicone tips. And then we have, it feels like some type of dense foam. It's not memory foam though. It doesn't slowly squeeze back, but it's some type of, maybe some different type of silicone or foam or something. Very soft to the touch. Almost feels like the outside of the charge case, but that's nice as well. So a different type of tip to get you a different seal, and it looks like small, medium, and large. And this nice little clear case for it. And then here is the USB to USB-C charging cable, and then a booklet of different information here. I'm guessing warranty, product, safety guides, something about Google Assistant, what comes in the box. So look at that real quick. Tells us, looks like it tells us the buds that we have. So it looks like for the silicone we have a extra small or super small. It says SS here, small and large. And then for the darker tips we have a small, medium, and large. So that's what we have here. And put that back. Put it back in here. Move that stuff to the side. So here is the buds. For a quick size comparison, here's the Jabra Elite Active 65Ts. Relatively similar size to the 75Ts as well, so if you have those, this is a good comparison for you. And here's the 65 Elite or 65 Active as well. So as you can tell, the case is a good bit smaller when they're side by side in pretty much every dimension. Width is about the same, it looks like. There's a slight taper on these Jabras, as you can tell, so it kind of makes it look thinner than it is, but when you look at it from the bottom, they're probably pretty close in width. But height and in length here, or depth, however you want to call it, it looks a decent bit bigger, maybe a quarter bigger, maybe eighth bigger in the other direction. One thing I do like about these is that it is able to sit on a flat surface some way. Some Bluetooth headphones can't. These sit on its side. It would have been nice if they flattened this bottom so you could sit it like that and be able to open them to get your earbuds, but that's just a small nitpick. Let's get the earbuds out to compare in size. So we have our left and right here. So here's our rights. So it looks like the Sonys are maybe a bit more narrow in this direction when you compare them like that. But the Sonys are a bit longer, and it looks like they're a bit more deep as well. The ear tip is a very different design, obviously. This is the Jabber's like proprietary tip, and I'm not sure if this is a proprietary tip to Sony or not, but it could be. Overall, I thought these were going to be bigger, so this is actually quite nice that they're this small. And yeah, that's everything. If you guys have any other true wireless earbuds you want me to try to compare this to, I'll do my best. Leave them in the comment section below. If you have any questions about either of these products, leave them in the comment section down below as well. Like this video, it really does help. Subscribe as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video.